if they are not going to confirm those teachers into permanent and pensionable, we are telling our teachers not to go to class because we want them to get their rights to be employed into permanent and pensionable.
Mimi naitwa Doyuan Geoffrey. Mimi ni mwalimu wa JSS. Sisi ni walimu wa JSS kutoka kaunti ya West Pokot. Tuko hapa siku ya leo ku present our anger to the TSC ya kwamba lazima watu confirm na kutu compensate kwa ile kazi tumeangaikia huko Shakahola. Na siku ya leo lazima wajue na lazima waheshimu court orders. Kotini the court has pronounced internship as illegal. Sisi hatuwezi kuitwa interns. Sisi ni watu tumesoma, tumemaliza shule, we have trained there na tuko na certificate of operation and that is TSC number. Ni mashangao makubwa hao watu wa TSC kutuita sisi ni interns. Kwa hivyo nataka tuwaeleze TSC ya kwamba kule shuleni hatutarudi hadi pale watatupatia barua ya PNP.
We want the TSC to compensate us and confirm us. We have suffered, we have given service to the learners of Kenya. We have adhered to competency-based curriculum and we have suffered for many years. While studying at university, the parents have spent so much on us. They have invested everything they have. And we have taught in school. We are competent. We have undergone many trainings concerning CBC. Since the journey started 2022, we were trained. And we are also going on with training. We want GNC to compensate interns and confirm. Say confirm. 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 Compensate interns.
Now family emwe kuma itura ria Singwe Karuo thugokore ni kaunti-ini ya Siaya.